Hello everyone, I'm 𝐃𝐢𝐠𝐢𝐭𝐚𝐥, a senior SEO expert and digital marketing officer with a passion for driving online success. In my 6+ years of experience, I had the privilege of helping businesses like yours thrive in the digital landscape. My expertise lies in crafting result-driven SEO strategies that not only boost visibility but also translate into tangible business growth. At the heart of my approach is a commitment to staying ahead of industry trends. I continuously monitor search engine algorithms, analyze market dynamics, and implement cutting-edge techniques to ensure my clients always stay ahead of the curve. But it's not just about data and algorithms, it's about understanding your unique business needs. I believe in a personalized approach, tailoring strategies that align with your goals and target audience. I also try to help my clients with other activities in the marketing like influencer marketing, account-based marketing, email marketing, as I am a marketing expert. So definitely I always try my best to give all the suggestions and strategies to my client so that they can convert their business in a better way. Whether it's optimizing your website for search engine, creating compelling content, maximizing your digital presence, improving your technical SEO or local SEO, I'm always here to make it happen. My goal is not just to meet expectations, but to exceed them. But outside the digital era, I'm passionate about video blogging, where I want to present myself as a marketing coach or consultant. It's not just about what I do, it's about who I am, and I do believe that a personal connection makes our collaboration even more effective. So if you are looking for a dedicated senior expert and digital marketing officer who can elevate your online presence, let's connect. I'm ready to bring my skills and enthusiasm to your project. Together, let's turn your digital dreams into reality. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm looking forward to build our business connection.